In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. So what you'll have to do is simply go to your spotify.com and then you'll have to go and click on your account. So an example, once you click on your account at the top right corner, you can just go and click on that account option. Right here, as an example, you'll find normally, don't mind the French here, normally you should find this in English for you or whatever language you go at, depending on your country. And as you can see here, for me, I'll find this explore like the plans. But for you, if you already have premium plan, you'll find here your plan and you'll be able to go and click on change plan. So once you click on change plan, it's going to be like this explore. So instead of you find like this one, you'll find the free one that I am using at the moment, which is not the premium one. So you can just go and choose the Spotify free section and click on it. Then you'll be able to click on cancel premium. So Spotify will show you basically a confirmation page. Just go and click on yes, cancel to confirm, and you will receive an email confirming your premium has been canceled and your account will stay active. It's just basically switch the free plan to the free plan at the end of your billing cycle. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.